Unique finish, old world finish with striking light and dark accents. Size and fit, 5.62 long, 1 diameter, made to fit a 5/8 holder hole. Easy install, Pro Fit installation system eliminates set screws for faster, more durable mounting. Construction, roller is made of plastic. Product description: YB8099OWB Finish, Old World Bronze features, paper roller. Offers a bright, highly reflective look for timeless style. Pro Fit TM installation system eliminates set screws for faster, more durable mounting. Dimensions: 0.87h x1w x 6.12d. Collection: Mason Collection. Moen's YB8099OWB paper holder, from the Mason collection, features an old world bronze finish. Moen is dedicated to designing and delivering beautiful products that last a lifetime. Moen offers a diverse selection of kitchen faucets, kitchen sinks, bathroom faucets and accessories, and showering products. Moen products combine style and functionality with durability for a lifetime of customer satisfaction. Top reviews from the United States. Behold the toilet paper holder. It's cylindrical. It's springy. It fits in the toilet paper thingy. Thank you.